Decide which one fits best, some or Jenny. I have friends in London. Some. Do you have water? Any. She doesn't have money in her purse. Any. There are apples on the table. Some. Are there students in the classroom? Any. He needs help with his homework. Some. I can't find clean socks. Any. Would you like tea? Some. There aren't chairs in the room. Any. I bought new books yesterday. Some. Did you see birds in the garden? Any. She always carries pens in her bag. Some. We don't need sugar for this recipe. Any. Would you like cake? Some. Are there good restaurants near here? Any. They have interesting ideas. Some. I didn't get sleep last night. Any. Let's buy flowers for the teacher. Some. Do you have brothers or sisters? Any. She found mistakes in the report. Some. There isn't milk in the fridge. Any. Can I have more juice, please? Some. Are there questions from the class? Any. I've got good news for you. Sun. He doesn't know of the answers. Any.